What it do, back again coming through. Who that is, that ain't nobody but Sue about to share this hairdo with you. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have another hair video for you guys. She's gorgeous, okay? I really like this one because it came pre-cut and it fit ear to ear. It fit perfect on my head. Today's hair is by Julia Hair. I have worked with this company several times as well, and this is a 13x4. All of the information will pop up right here for you guys to have all of the specs, but this one is a beauty. Now, this was an effortless wig to throw on. It already came pre-curled, kind of pre-styled. I did do my own little zhuzhing up. I went in and recurled it, did some baby hairs, laid it down. The knots are pre-bleached. The lace is transparent. It is a 13x4, super easy to put on. This is also one of those wear and go type of units. Too easy, to be honest with you, like really easy. It didn't come with any baby hair, so I went ahead and customized my own, but I really like it. Like, it is just luxurious soft hair. The density on this is a little bit more natural, but you can fluff it up to make it look full, or you can tame it down, whatever you desire. It was just really effortless and easy to throw on. The luster on the hair is very high. Like, this is some good quality hair. The donor, whoever this was, this is a silky type of texture, so it has a really high, beautiful shine to it. Really nice hair. I did do some layers on it, but one of the things that I was really happy for was the fact that it fit ear to ear. I cut nothing. I didn't have to do anything. I just put it on and this is it. All I did was go in and finesse some baby hairs, did cut some layers, and that's about it. The hair is just absolutely gorgeous and easy to work with. So make sure you check out Julia Hair, and let's get right on into the styling of the video.
Soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you think. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep go. We're free and never get old. Such a fine place to be. It's finally getting clear to me. There's nothing I can do without you.
So that is basically it for the styling of this video. It was really easy, nothing hard to do. Like, anybody can do this. This is very beginner friendly. Even though it is a full frontal, you don't have to do the baby hairs. The way that they pluck this is seamless. Like, you don't have to do a lot to this. This is just perfect and ready to go. Just throw in a little bit of layers if you want. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's really absolutely, they're taking a lot of the stress and guessing work for you guys. Like, this, anybody can do this. This is just way too easy to apply. And the fact that it came ear to ear perfectly, like, they got it right. They got it right. Like, that's too clean, too precise. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, the density on this is a little bit more natural, so it's gonna be great for the everyday woman, for the everyday girl, that's going to school. Like, this is just really easy. It was too easy. Like, it's perfect. It's literally perfect. Like, there's nothing to do. There was nothing for me to do. This is it. This is it. Like, you saw it. I cut nothing out of this video. I didn't hide anything from you. Everything I showed you. Super easy. Too easy. It's just really nice. Okay, y'all already know if it ain't good hair, it don't make it on hair. I do recommend this unit. 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this. I love that the way the lace looks. I love the plucking. I love the bleaching. It looks really good. It looks effortless and soft and pretty. If you're not into baby hairs, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do it, because the way that they pluck the wig, it's ready to go. Like, there's nothing, absolutely nothing for you to do more than throw it on, stick it down, and go. If you want to make this 100% glueless, there's a way to do it, even though it's a frontal, okay? But you are gonna have to leave out a little bit of your edges right here. All you have to do is cut off that flap. If you're not gonna glue this down, the flap is always gonna lift. The trick to cut off the flap, get that tension of the elastic band right here and pull it nice and tight. That way all of this right here lays nice and flat. That's what I always do whenever I turn these wigs into a glueless wig. Take off the flap, leave out some of your edges right here, just at the very edge right here. That's all you need. And you can turn a frontal into a glueless unit. 100%. That is the trick, okay? So yeah, take from that what you will. All right, I'm sharing with you what I would do, and I do it all the time, because there's no way to get that flap to stay down. You're gonna pull your hair back, that flap is gonna kick up. You don't want that. You see what I'm saying? So if you want to turn into a glueless wig that is a frontal, just take that off. Just take off that little edge right here. From here to here, take it off and you're good to go, okay? But yeah, this was just too good. Anyways, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves. Make sure you check out Julia Hair. All the information will be linked down below. And until the next video, I will see you guys really soon.